The first half of 2025 is gone, and every day we are witnessing a mass disruption that artificial intelligence is causing in our everyday life. The scenario is no different for local businesses and their online presence. We need to talk about how AI is reshaping, disrupting, and even empowering online business directories in ways we have never seen before. The internet has opened many opportunities for local businesses to establish their presence, and business directories and local listings are one of them. Businesses want to list them on authentic, high traffic directories and spend thousands each month to earn positive reviews and quality leads. As AI is reshaping how we use the internet, the game is changing. It's a volume game now. The more listing your website contains, the more opportunity for you to grow. Most online user behaviors have shifted from hours of traditionally searching listing to asking search engines who is the best Thai restaurant near me that's open now. Instead of searching by text, visitors utilize voice searches to reduce effort and save time. Search engines are generating an AI overview that prioritizes credible and in depth content over boring, low quality descriptions. AI is known for efficiency, and your platform must adapt to it for offering businesses an efficient way to manage their listings. What does it mean? Allow businesses to use AI to build quick directories, write compelling descriptions, and even generate suitable media. If they can build high quality and high volume listings in the shortest time, that is efficiency. Directories must adapt to AI to attract both businesses and visitors. This is how AI powered business directories may look in the near future. Integrated AI to scrap Google Maps data, automate business submission, verify listing, or suggest improvements. AI chatbots or voice interfaces to guide users instead of static search filters. AI generated overview, reviews, summarizations, and real time data syncing with business APIs. The idea is to position your website as a smart local assistant, not just a listing. AI powered business directories will have more monetization features than regular ones. For example, charge businesses extra for using AI features, or create a pay per review plan with AI verification. So, the question is, what happens if I don't adopt AI to my directory? The answer is you will lose your positions in the early AI adapters. If you're running a directory site, now is the time to innovate. What AI features do you think will make your platform more popular? Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment below. If you want to learn more about the impact of AI on various businesses. To view a demo of AI powered WordPress plugin directories, click the link below.